Hi all, welcome to this channel where we discuss how you can use tools, technology, and AI to grow your short-term rental portfolio. Whether you list on Airbnb, VRBO, or any other direct platform, we are here to help you. So today we are going to discuss how you can set up bookkeeping for your Airbnb using Baselane, which is a fintech software for real estate investors, and we are going to focus especially on their bookkeeping feature, which short-term investors can use. So proper bookkeeping is just isn't only staying organized, but it's also a foundation for your short-term rental portfolio. You have to make sure that you know how much expenses are there, how much profit you are making, what's your total cost, and this will help you in growing your Airbnb portfolio. Tomorrow, if you're looking to get investors or even want to sell your portfolio, you need to have proper books in place. And last but not the least, you need this to do your taxes and other compliance related activities. So before we see how you should actually do bookkeeping inside Baselane, there are a few things to keep in mind, or few best practices. First, try to keep your personal and business account separate. Whatever expenses you are doing for your Airbnb or short-term rental or any income coming, try to keep it separate from your personal finances. This will save you a lot of headache in the end. Secondly, it's a good idea to have a separate bank account and credit card or multiple credit cards for your Airbnb or short-term rental portfolio. This way, you'll have everything at one place, and it's very easy to bring those transactions to any bookkeeping software. So whenever if you are buying something, spending anywhere, or any recurring payment, make sure you put the same card which you use for Airbnb. Same way, all your income coming from Airbnb, VRBO, or direct booking sites, everything you should try to bring it to the same business bank account. Now let's get started with setting up our books for Airbnb on Baseline. I have dropped a link below which you can use to sign up and follow along. Feel free to save this video and watch multiple times if you need. And if you have any questions, then you can drop below in comments. So here we go.
Okay, so let's get started. So first, you can click on the link and go to Baselane. So there is an option to sign in with. So there's an option to sign in with Google. So you can do that. Properties you have, whether it's a short-term rental, and then how do you manage your properties. Uh, then how did you hear about us? You know, you can mention YouTube for this. And well, so here we are going to focus on bookkeeping and analytics. So we'll select that option. Now here we'll skip some of these options. Yeah, we don't want to, currently open a bank account. Let's go with the normal, just bookkeeping feature. Now first step is to add your property. So you type in your address and select your property address. Once you are selected, you can continue. Now your account is linked. Now it will take us to the bookkeeping section. So here currently it is showing us like what are the different uh, reporting you see. It takes us through this kind of look and feel. You can go through this or you can skip it. It's up to you. So it has like cash flow statement here. Now you can click on left side transactions and it will show all the transactions which are there. So what we have to do is like select the exact category for a transaction. So for example, here this is a Airbnb booking, so we are selecting short-term rental rents. And same way you have to go through one by one transaction and make sure they are properly tagged. When bookkeeper say that like they have to clean the book, this is what they refer. So there are a lot of transactions. I'll not spend time cleaning them now, but for example this one is for cleaning and maintenance, so we select the appropriate category. And here I think we'll go with cleaning and maintenance labor. So same way you have to keep going and select the right categories. Now you can delete also transaction whichever is not pertaining to your Airbnb. Just delete them. Uh, don't worry about it. One other feature is that you can search also transaction. So here we are entering Airbnb, and all the Airbnb related transactions will come in, and then you can quickly start tagging them uh, in one go. So this way you can complete all one kind of categories in one go. And any of these which are not related to Airbnb will go and delete. We will keep cleaning it like this till all the transactions are mapped. And you can also add a new transaction if you want on top if there are any cash related transactions. Again, quick look at the reporting. Currently, I've not cleaned everything, but once you are done, you can see, the clear cash flow analytics. What are the cash flow statements month by month? How much money you are making, and this will help you in making sure you're on track or not.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or anything you want to share with us, then feel free to drop below in comments. And if you like it so far, then don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are any special topics you want me to cover related to tools, technology, and AI, then that also you can share over comments.